Awesomes, and welcome back. This is the third in the line of the AMP tires. So these are your ATGs, or the all-terrain gripper. These are for those of us that have commitment issues. We don't want to commit to the lack of road manners, the low tread life, and everything that comes along with a mud tire. We still want kind of that all-terrain sort of behavior, especially on road. This will fit much more into the RT or the hybrid style tire that a lot of these other companies are doing. So they're the step right in between the mud tire and the all-terrain. These will have a 40,000 mile warranty, and like all amps, you're going to have the snow rating, the load rating of E, so it'll definitely get you where you need to go as far as if you're towing or anything like that. This will have a 15 30 seconds tread depth, or 15 and a half 30 seconds tread depth, which is the exact same as the ATPs. However, you'll notice that the tread pattern is a little bit wider open. These are the tires that we did put on the Suburban build, so if you need to go, we'll put the link in the bio to that video so you can see how they look on a vehicle. This has this multi-block design, so if you look down into the tread, you'll see that it's got this sort of like stepped pattern, and what that does is it allows for good on-road ride, but it also, when you're on softer terrain and things like that, it'll allow for even more grip. Since this is a little bit wider open tire, you will feel that sort of luggy vibration through the steering wheel as you especially are turning the wheels quite a bit, but it's nothing that's not too manageable, and nothing that'll be on line with a mud tire, how those generally feel. This also has the twin lug sidewall design, which is also a very aggressive look. It looks really good, especially if you're running a 20-inch tire on 33s, because you get a little bit less sidewall but still get that sort of aggressive look. So if you're curious about this tire, come on down and ask us about it, ask us pricing, and we'll get you all set up. Yeah, come down to the shop, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks.